Hey y'all, it's Shelly. I wanted to hop on here and do another review of the tailgate shelf that we wanted to get for our full-size Bronco. We realized with the other one that we had on there, it was great from the same company, Bro Addict, I'm not really sure how to pronounce it, but we wanted one that was a little bit bigger with more storage. So the first thing we had to do was pop off this other plate. I just wanted to pop this back on and then show you taking it back off just so you can see how easy it is to get off. Just one quick piece of advice, definitely go from the bottom, as you can see what we were doing there when you pop it off. And then you'll want to measure where you need those bolts to go into the existing holes on the back of the door, because you want those holes to be able to line up with the unit. So definitely just, bring out a tape measure and line those up. It'll save you a lot of time. And then once you have them lined up, you can go ahead and put on the weather stripping that they have included with the item for you. This will protect the paint and things on the actual door of the Bronco from any of part of this product rubbing or whatnot. And it just has like the felt type backing, so it just protects the paint on the back of the door. So that was really easy to put on. It just had the tape on the back. And then once you have those bolts where you needed them because you measured, then it will quickly line up with the actual shelf, and you can slide it right on there, and then you can easily just tighten everything down. It was really easy to put on, just as easy as the other one, but again, we just wanted some, more storage with this one. So I love this company's products. They hold up very well. They look nice. They look like they were made right for the vehicle themselves. It doesn't look like it's aftermarket. It fits perfectly, and you can see it looks really tough on the back of the door. They even have their name right there on the metal plate. And I love how much storage it has. So it has the storage on those two bottom pieces. And for me as a mom, I think that's great to have, just because like if I was always changing my baby in the back of the car when he was growing up, so I could have put wipes and diapers right in there. So that's a great feature. You could put whatever you needed back there, but then when you want to open it up, if you're at the tailgate or whether you are camping or just anywhere you need, another shelf for anything, you can just pop it open. No extra tools are needed to open it, which is great. It all just kind of unfolds. And then it even has an extra piece on the bottom that you can see right here that comes out and folds out to make that shelf even longer. So it's a great thing to have at tailgates and camping for sure, because we can put our hot dog buns and hamburger buns and our cups and spoons and things like that. And I wouldn't like put a child on top of it or anything with that much weight, but it's definitely great to have just as an extra space to set things when you're out and about. We did receive this one for free from the company in exchange for our honest and unbiased review. But I can really say that this one I do love a lot, just because of the extra room it has on the shelf. And then, like I said, those side pockets, and you can keep whatever in there. And then you can actually keep the shelf open when you close the back door. So say you're moving, for a short distance wherever while you're camping or at a tailgate, and you can keep it open. And then when you are all done using it, you can just easily pop it back down and store it away. It's so quick and easy to use. It's so versatile, and I absolutely love it. So if you were on the fence and looking for something like this, I would definitely recommend this, and definitely check out this company's other products, because like I said, we have other things and we could not be happier. So I hope it works for you, and definitely a thumbs up from us.